Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy shares right here in Phemex. Before starting this video, I want to tell you that I didn't verify my account on Phemex, and that is why I can't buy something on a real account. I made more than 3k videos on crypto brokers platforms, and I don't want to give every broker my personal details. So I will show you the steps that you need to do to buy shares, but I can do the last step, and that is finishing the order. So first of all, we decide right here to search for a share. So we select right here the Bitcoin, and then we go right here to favorites, futures, whatever you want. We have also spot option right here, and this is exactly where we need to be. Because right now we can select right here the stock tokens, and this means that if you want to buy Amazon, we can select right here Amazon, and now we can buy Amazon right here, but it's a token. They're using tokens right here. That is also the USDT Tether. They're using only tokens, but this is Amazon if you want to buy Amazon. Then what we're going to do right here is we select right here the price, and then right here the amount, or sorry, this is the price that you need to pay for it, and this is the amount. So we fill in right here 100 USDT, and then right now we can click right here on buy. Then if you click here on buy, you see that I don't have enough money, but if you click right here on buy, you will get a notification with a confirmation with your order, and then click right there on buy, and then you created yourselves a position on Amazon. So this is how you can buy a share right here in Phemex. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.